Finally, your team needs to decide whether you're going to release your deliverables to your entire customer base at the same time, or if your updates will go to some customers before others. It's a popular decision to have a smaller customer base that receives an early release in a beta stage. These customers can test the features early and give their feedback to the development team. Your team can then incorporate the feedback before the release goes out to your entire customer base. On one hand, this would mean that your smaller customer base is receiving an update that potentially has bugs. However, they get to serve as a guiding force to help keep your team in contact with what the market wants and needs. This addresses one of the issues your team was having in the opening example, that the customers didn't feel connected to your product by the time it came out. Having an early release helps your customers know that you care about what they'd like to see in the product. They're assured that you want to make sure the features are tailored to deliver the most value to them. Remember, you can provide the most relevant product more quickly through release planning.